As
It's been very busy in the world of weather. I'm sure you've heard about it. All the storm reports, especially near the I-20 corridor where we've had wind damage reports, large hail reports, even a couple of tornadoes. But you see all of the red little dots, those are tornado reports over the span of the last 72 hours. And we have a pair of marginal risk, one over the deep south all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and then one over Texas. That's where we do have some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings at the moment. We're going to stay pretty quiet, but as we get closer to Wednesday and especially later in the week, that's when we'll have the highest rain chances. So more on that in a minute. But in the meantime, we'll be dealing with the heat. We have temperatures in the low and mid 80s right now. Dallas, 91 degrees, and we have very swampy air in place with dew point temperatures in the 60s and 70s. And our dew points are going to be at least right about 70 degrees. So that puts us in this swampy category both Tuesday, Wednesday, and potentially into Thursday as well. Depends on where this incoming cold front stalls itself out. And as of now, it looks as though it may stall out just to the north of us, but a lot could change between now and then. 83 degrees, and you see a good bit of cloud cover out there. South winds at 17 miles per hour, so at least we have that. In fact, our winds will stay on the strong side, possibly some wind gusts over 25 miles per hour tomorrow and Wednesday as well. Here's a look at your evening forecast. Going to be very mild. I would grab the bug spray. Overnight temperatures will be in the low and mid 70s, and then quickly warming up under partly sunny skies, maybe mostly cloudy in the upper 80s to about 90 degrees, which means if we hit 90, that would lead to record heat. And that could possibly be the case on Wednesday as well. And then we trend a little cooler. So this is what your Tuesday's looking like. I kept rain chances pretty much out of the forecast for now, but you do want to grab at least an extra water bottle, the SPF, the sunglasses. You won't need the rain gear, at least not until late Wednesday, when our next best chance for rain will be. But we'll still warm up to about 90 degrees, a strong wind, and then that's going to set the stage for potentially a couple of strong or even severe thunderstorms. That's Wednesday night, level 1 risk currently in place for our area. So here's a look at the future track showing you tomorrow. We could have some clearing, maybe a shower for our western, northwestern areas, and then we're pretty dry. Here comes Wednesday morning. A couple of showers and thunderstorms start to break out over the area, but you see rain coverage not all too great, but it's all dependent on where this cold front stalls out. And again, looks to be more so to the north of us for now, with scattered storms in the forecast Thursday, and then Friday, maybe into Saturday. That's where we're expecting at least the greatest rain coverage and potentially some heavy rain as well. So you just see some off and on rain, not looking as though it's going to storm for 5 days straight. We'll just have periods of rain. And for the next 7 days, we could pick up anywhere between about maybe 2 to 3+ inches of rainfall, with the highest totals again potentially coming Friday and into Saturday. So the heat, then high rain chances and high humidity, and then by the weekend rain coverage, rain chances start to taper.